you are looking for a way to replace a missing tooth that is most similar to a natural tooth, an implant may be a great option. An implant is a root-shaped titanium post that is placed in the bone, to which a crown is attached. An implant can look and act like a tooth you were born with. Not all situations allow implants. Initially, records such as X-rays, CT scans, tomography, and MRI may be collected to ensure the success of an implant. Determining factors include location, quality of bone, oral health, smoking, and genetics. Once it is determined that an implant can be done, preparation begins at the site. A hole is made in the bone. Then the titanium implant is threaded into the hole. Once in place, the implant may be covered with gum tissue and allowed to heal. After the gum heals, an incision is made and the crown base, called an abutment, is attached to the implant. Depending on the type of implant, an impression of the abutment may be taken to create the crown that would be fitted onto the abutment to complete the implant. Once created, the crown is attached to the abutment. The completed implant can now be used like a normal tooth. It may seem so natural that you will forget that it is not your original tooth. How long do implants last? Multiple factors determine the life of an implant, many the same as those that determine whether a site is eligible to receive an implant. Some implants can last a lifetime. Remember, implants do such an amazing imitation of a real tooth that they even require the same attention as a regular tooth. The implants that have the best chance of long-term success are the ones that are given the best care. So keep brushing and flossing.